Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, my friends. Santa Claus here at the North Pole, and today I want to share something very special with you. The Christmas tree skirt. Yes, indeed, the Christmas tree skirt is one of my favorite holiday traditions. Now, you might wonder, what is a Christmas tree skirt? Well, it's that beautiful round cloth that sits beneath your Christmas tree, wrapping around the base. It's like a blanket for your tree, keeping it cozy and making it look extra magical. In the old days, Christmas tree skirts caught the falling pine needles. Today, they're mostly for decoration, making your tree sparkle from top to bottom. And oh, how lovely it looks when all the presents are placed on top. Some families use fancy Christmas tree skirts with glitter and gold. Others like cozy ones, made of felt, plaid, or even handmade with love. The best part? You can choose one that matches your holiday style and makes your Christmas tree truly shine. And here's a tip from Santa. If you're making one yourself, try sewing or crafting a Christmas tree skirt with your family. It's a wonderful holiday project, and every time you see it, you'll remember the love and laughter that went into making it. So, don't forget, the Christmas tree skirt may be at the bottom, but it's the finishing touch that makes your tree complete. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. And may your tree shine bright from star on top to the skirt below. Goodbye for now. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.